Good day everyone, this is Emeline Tantuo Surigao. I'm from Palumpon, Leyte. My story for today is all about my medical examination at St. Luke's Medical Center, Extension Clinic in Ermita, Manila. Why do I need to have this medical? This medical is needed for my U.S. Embassy interview for my visa immigrant as a spousal IR1 visa. So for today's video, I will tell you all about my experience about how I do a preparation before the medical examination and during the medical and after. Okay? So I got my interview appointment received from U.S. Embassy November 28. So, when I called St. Luke's Medical Center Extension Clinic, he told me that I need to prepare my medical 2 weeks prior to my interview. So that's why my scheduled medical is January 2, 2025. In order for the embassy to receive your medical results prior to your interview. So if you have delayed medical on that day of your interview, mahihirapan ka because they cannot receive your medical results. So there will be a delay of your approval or a denial of your visa. So dapat 2 weeks prior to your interview. So ngayon, here's my confirmation from St. Luke's. Okay? So, confirmation to from St. Luke's. So, pupunta kayo sa website. Visit the website of St. Luke's. I will place the link on my channel for the St. Luke's Medical Center. I did it in 1177 George Bacubo Street, Ermita, Manila, 1000. Okay, so you can call 02-8521-0020. The link, I can place it in my channel, but I can say it as well. https://islec.ph. So that is their website for you to have a reservation and appointment for the medical. So what I did before my scheduled medical is I do a preparation. So I eat healthy food, I do exercise, I sleep early, and one thing that I did as well is I prepare ginger shot. Okay, so para ma-clear yung respiratory mo, kasi importante po kasi lalo na sa mga US visa that hindi ka ma-sputum. Because if you will be having a sputum results during the medical, it will be having 8 weeks delay of your medical. So, maghihintay ka pa ng 8 weeks para mabigyan ka ng medical results mo. And delayed din yun sa visa mo. So, what I prepare is ginger, cucumber, lemon, pineapple, cayenne powder, and green apple. So I mix it together, I blend it, then I drink it in the morning, empty stomach. Then at night as well, I mix it with hot water and honey, then I drink that night. So maganda siya sa respiratory kasi super yung cayenne nakaka-clear yun, and yung itchy throat mo nakakatulong din na mawala. So, during the day of our my medical, sinigurado ko na yung hotel na stayhan ko is just walking distance lang to St. Luke's Medical Center. So, I stayed in Time Travelers Hotel, just walking distance to St. Luke's. 5 minutes lang, you can reach St. Luke's. So, during the day, it is said in my confirmation receipt from St. Luke's Medical Center that it should be 30 minutes before the scheduled time. So, my scheduled time is January 2, 2025, 9 a.m. So, pumunta ko doon 8:30. So, marami na din nakapila doon. So, you need to be early as possible. So, pagdating ko doon, what I prepare during my medical. So, I prepare my vaccine card. So, you need to photocopy your vaccine card and bring also your ID of your vaccine card. Then, or any vaccination records, lalo na pag nagpa-booster ka. Then, photocopy of your passport. Then, you need to bring as well the confirmation. Okay, confirmation of St. Luke's Medical Center. You will receive it in your email. Then, you will bring as well your payment. The payment is 28,650. You can pay it through credit card or you can pay it with cash. So, ang nangyari is, nag-credit card ako para iwas din naman sa nakaw, no? So, for medical examination flow for US visa applicants, ang ginawa sa amin is, on 9 o'clock, nagpila na kami. Then, inuna yung mga senior. Then, the print A to me as applicant. Then, afterwards, we do the photograph. After photograph, they do the document screening. So, you need to prepare the passport, the photocopy of your passport, and your original, you need to bring it. Then, photocopy of your vaccine card, and dalhin mo din yung original. Then, the picture or print copy of St. Luke's confirmation. It will be sent to your email. Then, i-print mo yun. Then, D260, dalhin mo din. Confirmation. Then, dalhin mo din yung interview appointment sent by US visa. Kailangan din nila yung makita para makita nila yung schedule na interview mo. Then, after that, we do the print scanning of our fingerprint. So, fingerprint screening and data encoding in the ground floor pa din, in reception area. Then, pagkatapos nun, we went for online payment in 5th floor. So, sa 5th floor kami nagbayad, I pay through credit card. Then, after that, sa payment, madali lang naman kasi kung sino lang yung nakaschedule, if for those who are scheduled 9 o'clock, so those 9 o'clock lang yung pupunta. So, after the screening, we went to 5th floor for payment. Then, after payment, we do laboratory tests. So, they do blood, getting of blood, and they prepare 5 tubes of extraction. But it's not full, but almost full. 5 kinds of tubes in different color. Those are for some urine tests, any blood tests like IgRA tests, and so many more. So, after the blood extraction, we went to radiology for our x-ray. So, sa 3rd floor naman yon. So, they need to check if you have problems with your lungs. And importante sa kanila na clear yung lungs mo, lalo na for US applicants. Then, after that, we went to triage center for our medical examination, vital signs, height, weight, determination, and the eye test. It is in the 5th floor. So, dami naman ding mga doctor at saka hindi naman mataas yung pila kasi nga, kung sino yung, for those who are scheduled 9 o'clock, yun lang. But, my medical started 9 o'clock, but I finished 2 p.m. in the afternoon. Then, because they need to wait for our X-ray results, natapos ako ng 2 p.m. So, I went home and I do my immunization on the 2nd day. Then, ang dami kong mga na-meet na nag-sputum sila. But I was so happy and blessed kasi hindi ako nagka-sputum. Clear naman yung results ng x-ray ko. And on the following day, nag-immunize sa akin dito at saka dito. Sa akin, yung measles, another strain for parang chickenpox ata yun. And here is nag-iisa lang for flu. And nakalimutan ko yung isang immunization ko pero related to COVID. Okay, so kasi pupunta ka ng ibang lugar, maraming flu or mga another strain of. So, all you need to prepare is kailangan talaga healthy ka, kailangan talaga na prepare mo din yung documents mo, and dapat 2 weeks prior to your interview, matapos mo na yung medical mo. Kasi para during the time of your medical, hindi na hihintayin yung medical mo. And now, iba na yung, they have different process because you're not the one who will bring the medical results, but the medical clinic, the medical St. Luke's Medical Center, they're the one who will email your medical results to US Embassy Manila. Then, makaka-receive ka lang ng results sa email mo din that you have passed the medical results. Okay? So, thank you for watching my story for today. So, for those who have questions regarding with your future medical, or for those who are having their medical in St. Luke's Medical Center, so you can leave your comments or your queries in my YouTube channel. I will answer those questions, and for further explanation about your medical or what to prepare, you can ask me as well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a good day.